Now this is because it's denotified. This is the reverse thing. I'm showing an omission in item 12. An omission. Now you can say that all the documents for 25 years have been forged. Thankfully, you have not said so yet.
No, that's not.
You're
there.
not thankfully till now said so. Then Malas personal award is passed in 13. Now it is possible, Malas, that despite this, I'm such a superhuman human being. But this is not a ground automatically without adverting to a single fact to grant a sanction. This is not the kind of case a Lordship Malas has cases where Lordship has. What has happened in Malas, the precedents have muddied the field because you have corrupt people. You have people with the same day, same this thing and all. Fast. This is not that kind of case. This is proceeding at, if at all, a inordinately slow pace in my view. In my view, a very slow pace. 13, personal award. 14, illegal allotment of sites on paper. This is a reality. Please check up. And Maharaj, at 61 to 71, it is found Mr. Abraham's application. Mr. Abraham's application. And they have argued and he has argued such vehemence.
No, allotment of sites is not on paper. It has actually happened. To
It is on
the
paper also.
allottees of the layout, it has actually happened. Yes, Ragnath. It has actually happened. Ah,
Paper.
yes.
Maharaj, may I say,
Yes.
de facto 100%. 100% de facto. Muda is dealing with it. Nothing on the paper will happen. Nothing on the ground will happen without the paper, Malas.
True.
It can't be that in the air. This is a Muda authority. Document 14 is found Malas 61 to 71. Lordship may see. I put the page. What else can I do, Malas?
All right.
But
Yes.
this is not a figment of imagination. And none of this is dealt with by the governor. First time a sale deed happens is 2004. So Lordship will draw a line
Yes,
here.
first sale
from
date is
97
2004.
I mean, sale deed relevant to not him, but his brother-in-law.
It is
I mean, not him, but his brother-in-law. I'm drawing a line still. This is Malas from 92, 93, and Lordship is stopping at 2004. This is a whole decade. Then Malas, conversion of lands is applied. This is applied in 2005. And Malas, just see the next date between 16 and 17.
5 years.
Such a mad rush because he's been in politics all along, Malas. He's been either an MLA or he's been a deputy chief minister or a minister. He became a minister in the 80s. Such a mad rush, man. He must be madman, Malas, that he's taken 5 years to have a gift deed to his wife. These are Lordships reads the totality, the holistic. This is not some kind of a scam, Malas, where the man is desperately trying to grab something. He's taking 5 years from 16 to 17. Then Malas, 18. This lady Malas requests to allot alternate land. Now, it is not the only lady who gets it. It is not the only case of encroachment. It is not the only time it has happened. It just happens that I am the chief minister's wife also. Then Malas, 19. Proceedings of the meeting where the application is discussed and decided as follows. This is Malas 90 to 94. This is, Lordship, just note that. That thing your Lordship asked me. Just note on the side.
Yes.
My son is officially ex officio, Malas, all MLAs. I've checked.
Yes, all of it.
So
Not
that is
only.
one.
I'm
No,
not
no,
saying
no,
that
no,
it's
no.
only
I-
yours.
My Lord asked a neutral question. I'm giving the facts only. I'm also giving a neutral.
As an ex officio member of Muda, being
All
an
MLAs.
MLA of the constituency, you had participated in those deliberations which decided to allot alternate sites.
Number two, no, but there's something more interesting. Malas. The minutes of the resolution of that meeting are fascinating. They are in the relevant, the same volume, page 96. All the people, including MLAs who participated,
Yes.
contributed.
Yes.
This man did not say a word.
It's all right.
No, no,
Yes.
I'm just saying there's no participation.
Yes,
He's sitting,
yes.
he's attending. There's no participation in decision making. None. None. And this complaint is against me.
No, the complaint is against you.
Yes.
That's all right.
And fourthly, that person, my son, is not made a accused. Now, Malas, if it is private,
Yes, all right.
now, Malas, very well. Now, Malas, today, if Malas, I am to be culpable because of this one incident of 19, which is happening in 17, when Malas, this event happens, then Malas, your Lordship will see the totality also. That's the point.
No, their allegation is the beneficiary is the roof.
I understand, Malas. I mean, this is the allegation is much
The
more.
roof of the chief
This
minister.
son came now, Malas. The allegation is that this is happening from last, all the decisions, this denotification is the allegation. The encroachment is the allegation. No son, no father, nothing but it's the allegation. This is only the Malas consequential decision which is coming up now. That act has happened
It's an
earlier.
allegation, not a conclusion. It's an allegation.
Now, Malas, my first point is, have you dealt with it anywhere in your order, Mr. Governor?
That will, yes.
Have you then shown that is there any connection with me in a manner which can be credible? Have you addressed it? There is a whole para which addresses it in the cabinet decision.
Yes.
Have you then dealt with that para and said this is wrong because of 1, 2, 3, 4?
That I will answer.
This is the. And then, Malas, then of course, willingness given. Now come to Malas, document number 23. No, sorry, before that. No. 20 onwards, Malas. 20 onwards is very important. Just draw second line at 20. That is 14, 11, 19. I am in the opposition. But should I put that line there? Item 20.
Oh, yes.
Now, then, Malas, the principal government department writes to Muda to take a decision at their level. Proceedings of the meeting of Muda were decided to give 50% of developed area as compensation. Willingness given by not me, but by Malas, 14 or 15 other people across the state, or where not across the state, in the relevant areas. Then, Malas, relinquishment deed, etc., the last 4 minutes. Now, Malas, the last part is come to Malas, the submissions at page 55. Come to 55, the submission, I am done, Malas. So, Malas, there has to be a proportionality for this one meeting and most of the time outside of the power. If you are going to go that far, then Malas, totality doesn't justify, you have not dealt with the administrative law aspects.
You told me to remind about RT's antecedents.
Then, Malas, come to para 32 of my note, page 55.
55.
Yes. So 32 and 33 gives the same list of dates. All the way, Malas, to the end of 56. Come to 57 top. The denotification is not specific to the subject lands, extended to other lands.
No, it is, denotification is not only this land, it is something else. A denotification happens to the adjacent land, that is also there on record.
19 is what I've said, Malas, at page 57. 19
What is
examples.
this survey number denotified?
464.
462.
4?
46.
462 now.
462.
One person.
464.
462 or 464?
462 and 464.
460.
19 of the problem.
Now 19 other is important, Malas, at page 57.
No, all that is there.
Yes. Then, Malas, just note that these are impressions given to your lordship in the prejudice part of the argument. Therefore, I'm just very quickly clearing them. Now, Malas, 33.3.1. The notification does not, under 16.2, does not cover the lands in question, and the lands were therefore excluded. This notification is 33.3.1, Malas, of my note. No Panchnama, no inquest report, no memorandum, no sufficient documentation as required under Indore Development Authority regarding taking over of possession. Your lordship is told taking over of possession. Then, Malas, now this para 33.5 I have put in boldface. I need a seat for a minute. Allegations questioning title are based on suppression of the crucial family settlement. Now, Malas, you are questioning my title. Inside my family, there is no dispute. It's a family settlement at para 33.5. Number is given, register is given. There is no jhagda, but Malas, somebody else is
No,
questioning.
that's not the submission also.
Then, Malas, that other writ, Malas, is identical for this reason. That's very important, Malas, to remove that impression. Where, Malas, the matter was not proceeded with and the land was released.
Which one, sir?
Other writ was said that we have suppressed the writ number and all that.
Siddaramaiah.
Sundarama's case. Sundarama's case is only cited for the point that another case where actually acquisition was not
Oh,
continued.
that Justice Bhajantri's order.
Yes.
Yes.
It is not continued. So also in my case, acquisition is
Just
not
one
continued.
second.
Just 5 minutes more.
Just one.
So 61 is very important. 50-50 benefit taken by hundreds of people. It is not just me who's got it. 61, we have made a chart.
Give me that.
Yes, sir.
Now, fellows, that other matter, just see 61 and I'm done in 2 minutes, fellows. 61 is a list, this is important. I put a chart.
Yes. And
This
there-
Muda, look at what it did for an overall policy, fellows. Look at the number of sites, fellows. 50-50 ratio. This can't be, fellows, any kind of an individual case, fellows. Then sanctioned without land acquisition, 570. First one is without compensation, 358. Without acquisition, 570.
Yes.
Then prior to the date, 99. After the date of 5/1/22, 835. Well, this impose 25 lakhs cost on a there can be whistleblowers
him?
without this.
On
Next
him?
sentence, please
All
read,
right.
brothers.
Yes.
Not a-
Yes.
He is a habitual, I have put words here, brothers, advisedly. He is habitual litigant with a well-documented history of engaging in blackmail, extortion, and misuse. His conduct has been repeatedly condemned by various courts. Supreme Court imposed a cost of 25 lakhs in SLP. 25 lakhs is not given in 2017 in even 1 or 2 cases for abusing PIL. In addition to the history of vexatious, respondent has been involved in criminal activity. But your lordship is a judge who takes a holistic view. Ultimately, judges have to take holistic view. FIR registered in 2023 for offences including, can't you have whistleblower without all this, fellas? Extortion, outraging the modesty of a woman, criminal intimidation under sections 384, 506. Complaint filed by Sudha, a government official, alleges that Abraham attempted to blackmail and
384 is
intimidate.
not outraging modesty of a woman.
Hmm? What is the
Oh,
which
that
section?
matter. 384 is extortion.
384 is extortion.
All right. Yes.
The complaint filed by Sudha, government official, attempted to blackmail. These serious
Sir,
criminal antecedents evident that
Sir,
he lacks.
if we can do this, give me 5 minutes, I'll resume. Whatever it is, I'm going to complete this today.
I have in fact finished. Police.
Yes, sir. I'll get back in 5 minutes.
Certainly,
Yes.
certainly.
ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮನು ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ ವಾದ ಮಂಡನೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ವಿವಿಧ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವಾದ ಮಂಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಜೊಲ್ಲೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಂತಂದ್ರು, ನಿರಾಣಿ HDK ಇವರ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮುಂದೂಡಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಎಂ ಪರ ವಾದ ಮಂಡನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮನು ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡೈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮನು ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಈ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರದ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದಿ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮನು ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರ ಪತ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಈ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದರ ವಿವರನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವ ಇತರ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅವರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ನಿರ್ಧಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಇತರ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ, ಭಾಷಾಂತರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಿಎಂ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬಂದಿರುವ ದೂರಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮನು ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಕಾಲ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮುಂದೂಡಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.